Hello and welcome to the tropical weather update for Saturday, 30th September 2023, your 2 p.m. position. I'm climatologist Owen Page. We continue to monitor two systems, Philippe and Rina, both tropical storms. Philippe located just about 455 miles based on the 11 o'clock a.m. position. 455 miles to the east of the islands at 16.9 degrees north and 56.3 degrees west. Philippe is actually moving towards the southwest at 5 miles per hour with peak winds of 50 miles per hour. Meanwhile, Rina located further towards the east-northeast, just about 850 miles or so to the east-northeast of us here in the Eastern Caribbean, Antigua and Barbuda. Rina moving at the west-northwest towards the west-northwest at 12 miles per hour with peak winds of 45 miles per hour. Rina has lost some organization. Meanwhile, we've been watching Philippe over the last couple of hours. Philippe is gaining a little bit of organization. We've seen lots of bursts of convective activity. And interestingly enough, there's a plane investigating Philippe, and what we are finding is that Philippe is moving further towards the west than we anticipate, and this southwestward motion is worth watching. We still expect Philippe to loop towards the north, as we'll see in the next couple of graphics, its forecast position, but just to identify that the system is moving a little further west than we previously anticipated. In fact, as we go to our next graphic, we will see a bit more closely Philippe, investigating Philippe. Notice the southwestward motion over the last couple of hours, and this is worth watching because we still expect it to loop, but the further west it comes, not expect for it to come all the way across the Caribbean islands, even though some models, I must stress, are indicating that the westward motion could continue for some time, bringing it a little closer to us. But the official forecast is for Philippe to loop towards the north over the next 24 hours or even a little beyond that time. So we're watching Philippe. There's an aircraft hunter up in the system at the moment, and for the 5 p.m. position we will get an update as to the most recent developments with Philippe, and the picture will become a little bit more clear for us here in the Eastern Caribbean. So the official forecast for the 11 a.m. position would see Philippe continue on the southwestward track before looping sometime tomorrow, becoming a hurricane sometime on Monday, and staying well east of the islands, and of course moving all the way up just to the southeast of Bermuda, maintaining hurricane status all the way into Thursday. So the system is not expected to really move out of the area until about Monday. So we're watching to see what motion Philippe continues to take, and again, the further westward track, southwestward track it takes, it means that it will come a little closer to us. We're still hoping the official track holds and Philippe to loop up towards the north and towards the northeast over the next day or two. And just to finally conclude, the forecast for today calls for some bit of cloudy spells, mainly late afternoon and tonight, as the presence of Philippe will make the area moist and unstable and supporting shower activity. We should get to a high temperature around 34 degrees Celsius, 93 degrees Fahrenheit today, with the winds out of the northeast. So far for the month, rainfall total 81.5 millimeters, or just over 3 inches. So until the next update, I'm Owen Page, wishing you the best, and God's blessing for the rest of the day.